My name is Mihaly Dimitro, Margareta, Corneliu Leopold Blanca, Ian Ignatius, Maria Nikatas. Or you can just call me Chad. Today, I'm going to be your chemistry teacher.
Yes, science, bitch!
Biomolecules seems quite the enigma for our students, doesn't it, Chad?
You're right, Agnes, but in truth, it's not that hard at all. Let me explain. Biochemical macromolecules are large, complex molecules that make up the structure of your body and keep every cell alive and functioning. There are 4 major types.
Carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, nucleic acids.
Together, these 4 macromolecules nourish, protect, and regulate the brain, chemically, structurally, and genetically.
I want to come inside you first and see what truly lies within our bodies.
Hey, yo, what the
Sorry, Chad was being weird again and had to be escorted out of the premises. Anyways, let's start with carbohydrates first. Carbohydrates are the body's main source of glucose, the brain's preferred energy fuel. There's 3 types: monosaccharides, or simple sugars; disaccharides, basically 2 monosaccharides linked together; and polysaccharides, kind of like long chains such as starch and glycogen. After you digest carbohydrates, enzymes break them down into glucose through a process called glycolysis, which in short, carbohydrates keep the brain energized, support learning, influence mood, chemistry, and maintain healthy cognitive function.
Hello again, ladies. I escaped jail time by seducing the guards with these gorgeous muscles. So you want to have them too? Then you must learn how proteins work. Proteins are the body's workers. They're built from amino acids, and their shapes determine what they do. From speeding up reactions to building structures and sending signals, they do a lot of things. In digestion, proteins are broken into amino acids, which enter the bloodstream and are delivered to cells, including neurons. The brain uses these amino acids to make neurotransmitters, receptors, ion channels, and enzymes that keep neurons alive and communicating. Some examples of proteins that are central to neurotransmitter synthesis include the following:
Tryptophan for serotonin, tyrosine for dopamine and norepinephrine, and glutamate for GABA.
When protein intake or metabolism is poor, the brain can't make enough neurotransmitters. Stress hormones become unbalanced, and cognitive processes slow down. Chronic deficiency contributes to mood problems, poor focus, and impaired memory. In short, proteins form the machinery of the brain, from the enzymes, receptors, channels, to the neurotransmitters that make thought, emotion, and memory possible.
There's 2 types of nucleic acid, DNA and RNA. Structures made of nucleotides, sugar, phosphate, and base. Function of DNA stores genetic instructions, and the function of RNA help make proteins for brain cell growth and signaling. The importance are controls how neurons grow and repair, support neuroplasticity, learning, and memory. The sources are meat, fish, legumes, grains, vitamins like folate and B12. Mental health link: poor nucleic acid function equals memory loss, impaired cognition.
As you can see, oil is often being used in cooking. Cooking oil has lipids in them. Lipids are the brain's building blocks. They include fats, oils, phospholipids, cholesterol, and omega-3 fatty acids. Structurally, lipids are long hydrocarbon chains that mix well with each other, but not with water. This property lets them form the cell membrane, the protective barrier of every neuron. The brain is nearly 60% fat by dry weight because neurons need stable, insulated, and highly flexible membranes. Lipids let those membranes bend, fuse, and reshape as synapses strengthen or weaken. It is the physical basis of learning. When lipid balance is poor, membranes become less stable, myelin weakens, and neurotransmitter systems falter. Deficiencies in omega-3s are linked with depression, attention problems, slower processing speeds, and inflammation in neural tissue. In short, lipids give the brain its structure, insulation, and flexibility. They stabilize membranes, speed up signals, and support the hormones and fatty acids that keep mood and cognition steady.
Thank you for listening to our chemistry class for today.
But to those who want to stay for some private tutoring, I'm very,
Nah, bro, get that shit out of here.
What's wrong with you, man?
Huel, who's Huel?
This is Huel. Huel, you happy?
Reasonably.
What would make you unhappy?
This little mofo not doing what he's told.